Hey y'all, in this quick and easy tutorial, I will teach you how to make these super simple seamless patterns, and trust me, they're very easy and satisfying to make. By the way, I got this idea from seeing these videos all over my For You page. Pretty satisfying, right? Okay, let's get started. So we're gonna want to create a square canvas, and we want to need the background color, so you can just go ahead and turn it off. Okay, so for this pattern, I was thinking of drawing a bunch of sliced and whole watermelons with little daisies, so let's select my favorite brush, Auburn, and start drawing different size circles. Now that that's done, we can start adding darker and lighter stripes. I also added these cute little tails, and now I will get started on making a bunch of watermelon slices. Okay guys, now we can resize and rearrange our elements. I decided to add little cute daisies all over our canvas using the monoline brush. Once you're satisfied with your pattern, you can go ahead and group your layers. Swipe right on all of them and select group. Now make 4 copies of your group, and then go to settings and make sure that you have magnetics and snapping on. Now move your pattern just like so. We're gonna move this over here. Now let's move this one over there. To make sure it's perfect, make sure that you can see these 2 yellow lines. This is when you can add a bit more details. Just make sure that none of them touch the edges of your canvas. I decided to use a pre-made stamp to add some leaves, and when you're satisfied with your pattern, merge all of your layers together to create a brand new one, and make 4 copies of that one as well. Now just go ahead and shrink it just like so, and ta-da! You can keep resizing it literally forever, but keep in mind that the more you resize it, the worse its resolution gets. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to follow my YouTube channel as well as my shorts one and my TikTok, where I post easy tutorials, tips, tricks, and satisfying digital art videos, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!